One thing that's very important to keep in mind when you're using QuickBooks in multi-user mode is that if a user connects to your company file using their version of QuickBooks on their computer, if they do an update to QuickBooks, everyone else has to also. Everybody has to be running the same version of QuickBooks. To make sure you're always running the latest version or to do an update manually, select Help from the top of the screen and then choose Update QuickBooks Desktop. Right now, I see Automatic Updates is turned on, so QuickBooks will update itself automatically when new updates come out. But if I ever do need to update immediately for any reason, do a backup first. I showed you how to do that in a previous video. When that's all done, click the blue Update Now button. You can share this update with other members who are accessing your file using multi-user mode. Click the Options tab and then click Yes on Shared Download. Your download location will change to the Public Documents folder. Remember, this is the folder that you gave everybody access to when you shared it out in multi-user mode, so you do need to be sure that all of your computers are properly networked and that everybody can reach this location. But if you're already working in multi-user mode, you can assume that they've already done that and everything's fine. Click the Close button. Click Yes if you'd like to make changes to your options like I just did, and you're brought to the home screen. Now you're ready to go on your way. If you ever run into any problems using multi-user mode, always check and make sure that everybody is running the latest version of QuickBooks.